Hi, everyone, now that we are able to register new user into our MongoDB and send client response with saved user and a access token. Let's create a middleware to handle errors. That is to send client write error messages and status codes. Currently we are just logging the error to the console. So, for that create a new folder called middleware and make a file called errorhandler.js. In this file create a function error handler which takes in 4 arguments, that is error, request, response, and a next function. For testing we are going to use console.log, but afterwards we will remove it when we refactor our code. And now we are just using if-else to check the type of error and send client response message and status codes according to that error. At last we are exporting the middleware. And use this middleware in index.js file. Now to use this middleware function in auth.js root, we just have to call the next function whenever there is an error. And pass error as an argument. It will automatically call error handler function. Now let's test this thing by sending requests. We got internal server error as response, because we did not add if-else to check for duplicate key error, as there was a duplicate key in data. Let's add if statement to check duplicate key error. Now we are getting correct error message as response, so now if we want we can remove the console log or make it more concise. We send request for first time with that data, then it registers the user. If we do that again with same data, it should return error. So, this was our error handler middleware. As the project grows we will add more error in that checklist and even refactor the middleware since we have already used a lot of if-else statements. So stay tuned.